Are magnetic lashes really worth the hype? Well, I'm going to put them to the ultimate test today. I'm going to be trying out 3 new styles of magnetic lashes from Glamnetic, and I'll let you know if I really think they're worth the hype or not. Let's get started. Okay, before we even dive into today's little try-on video, I need to say 2 quick things. 1, I'm officially engaged, so now I have a new ring. Love that for me. Tell me that's amazing. And 2, I have a fake little nose stud. Do you love it? I think it's really cute. It's just a little gemstone with a little bit of lash glue. Just testing it out. Just testing it out. But like, should I get a real one? Y'all let me know. So besides that, Glamnetic was once again kind enough to send over 3 different pairs of their magnetic lashes for me to try out. So we have the style Verified, which looks like this. These are gorgeous. We have the style called Lucky. And we have the style Venus. Now all of these are super beautiful, especially this pair because they're really flared and that's great for hooded eyes. I am gonna try on all 3 of these today, so let's just get started. Okay, so with magnetic lashes, you need to use a special liner, and this is in Deep Space, which is a jet black liner. And of course, this is what is going to allow the magnets on the lashes to stick to your eyes. It's gonna connect and magnetize to the liner. So first off, we're just going to very carefully draw a nice little line across our lid. See how smooth that is? Now you, of course, like me, don't have to be perfect with it. That's probably the best you're gonna get from Mr. Cody J here because I don't have the steadiest hand in the world, which is why I don't usually use liners. But we're gonna let this dry for just half a second, like maybe 3 seconds, and now we're just gonna throw on some lashes. So Glamnetic also has these awesome tweezers that are dual-ended. So obviously this tip right at the top is for applying your lashes, and then there's actually a comb at the bottom so you can comb through both your real lashes and the false lashes to make sure they're really blended together and look seamless. So we're gonna start off with Verified. I think these again are super beautiful, and they're like hosted on magnets in here so they don't like fall out or anything like that. So that's super convenient. So all you're supposed to have to do is literally pick them up and just drop them on the liner. It's supposed to be that simple. So I'm just going to pick them up, grab my mirror, and I'm gonna get real close. I'm just gonna drop them right on. Ready, ready, ready? Just like that. Wow, like obviously they're not set in place, but like, connect the corner, connect the outer corner. It is literally that simple. Like, tell me that's not amazing. Like, it'd be a little bit better looking if my liner's a little bit more straight, but other than that, that's fantastic. Let me just like look at my mirror. It's literally that quick. You just toss it on and you don't have to like finagle with it. Like if you use regular lash glue where you have to like, oh, it's sticking. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Move it. No, it's not. Yes, it is. It's just like drop, plop, done. Look how easy that was to touch that up. Since the line is already there from the lash band, I just went above it. I just kind of like fixed it. Who am I? That is perfection. Hello. Wow. That's incredible. That's literally incredible. Like, did y'all just see how easy that was? And like, they don't move. They don't move. They don't fall, nothing. That's amazing. So this is the style Verified. Let's try out a couple other ones. And again, that's the beauty of these lashes is that you can just pop them right off and toss on the next pair. Alrighty, so next we're gonna try the style Lucky. Again, just gonna grab them, drop it right on. That's amazing, honestly. A little clamp just because it's a habit. Done. Grab the next one. Literally, you can apply your lashes in about 22 seconds, like from start to finish. I think what's super neat is as soon as it touches the liner, you kind of feel and hear it go click, click. This is the style Lucky. So lastly, let's try on the style Venus. I think what most fascinates me, honestly, is the fact that I can try on 3 completely different styles of lashes and be like, oh, nope, this one isn't for me for this look today. Oh, this one's not for me today. And then be like, oh, 3rd pair, no problem. Let's go on with our day. Whereas normally you'd have to remove the glue and it's a mess and you mess up your liner and it ruins the lashes. Like, this is literally everything, honestly. I'm actually truly impressed.
Okay.
This is actually not the first time, like I said, that I've used magnetic lashes. I struggled with them the first time I used them because I was new to them and wasn't, you know, that great at lashes in general. And now that I have more practice and I know what I'm doing, way different opinion, honestly. Also, side note, can we like commend people for being able to get more educated on things and changing their opinions? Because you are allowed to change your opinion. Alrighty, let's do this side. Again, just plop them on. Sticks right on. Make sure the corner's where we want it. Done. Like, it's literally that easy. I'm actually baffled. I am baffled. Am I officially a Glamnetic magnetic lash lover? I have to say yes. Now with magnetic lashes, they are a bit pricier than regular lashes, but at the same time, you're paying for convenience, and clearly it's hella convenient. You're paying for higher quality lashes in my opinion, plus you get the liner and it's long lasting, and the formula of the liner is great. Even with taking the lashes off several times, the liner didn't go anywhere. It doesn't skip or drag when you're going across your lid, which is great for hooded eyes, me. And again, I got the Deep Space, which is a jet black, and it was very black. So overall, I am ecstatic about this. I'm loving these products. I think Glamnetic absolutely hit it out of the park. The styles that I got to try on today were so great. Absolutely love them. You'll definitely be seeing Glamnetic more on my platforms and YouTube, of course. But I think that's all I have for you guys today. I will link a code in the description box for you guys where you can save a bunch of money. The code is good for about a month. Again, just a discount. Don't make any money. Just thought I'd throw that out there for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's Glamnetic magnetic lash try on. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you have the day you deserve.